Strata Control Services. The mud stops here. Strata's comprehensive approach to drilling fluids conservation works more efficiently, more effectively, and with a minimum amount of LCM, and the most advanced LCM in the world. Strata's entire process and approach is based purely and simply on innovation. Strata's interest is in solving the problems that arise with the most effective materials for each purpose. By providing the best and smartest solutions possible, rather than the more costly traditional approaches, the Strata effect leads to less mud losses, less rig time, less downtime, and, when the job is complete, significantly less time and money spent across the board. Traditional LCM is less effective, often unable to sustain its structure and composition as it goes through the stress of the delivery process. It also absorbs more fluid, making its job that much more challenging. It's a mixed bag of organic materials thrown together as a possible recipe for fracture sealing, a guessing game at the cost of more time, more effort, more mud, and more money. Strata's loss circulation media has been innovatively designed with each ingredient chosen for a specific need. Strata understands the business of drilling fluids conservation and provides what is needed, not just to solve the problem temporarily, but to do so efficiently while creating more permanent solutions. Strata's LCM ingredients work together to successfully seal fractures, making your seals secure and lasting. The path of the mud and your chosen loss circulation material is not a gentle one. It must go through the hopper, the tank, the pump, the top drive and valves before it even enters the hole. Traditional LCM is often pulverized by the time it reaches the fracture. The resiliency of Strata's advanced LCM and expertly perfected process ensures your LCM is intact to do its job when it reaches the point of operation. As the mud is pumped down through the hole, Strata Control's media has maintained its particle integrity. As we can see, much of the traditional media may have been compromised by the delivery process, but the strength, elasticity, and resiliency of Strata's LCM is now ready to do its bidding. As we take a more dynamic look at the cross-section of this one fracture site, we can clearly see how the fracture initially expands and worsens as more mud enters the zone. When the pump is cycled off, the pressure in the zone decreases. As soon as the pump is cycled back on, though, we see the pressure again increase, causing the hole and surrounding earth to breathe. The fracture must be sealed or it will worsen, causing more downtime. Traditional loss circulation media moves in and out of the fracture, absorbs more fluid, and doesn't have the strength to hold the crack open as it continues to breathe during this process. This leaves the formation still weak, the fracture not effectively sealed, and on the ready to fracture further. Here we see Strata's expertly designed larger particles bridge the fracture and provide enough strength to keep the fracture open, reducing breathing greatly. The smaller particles continue to fill the remaining spaces, and these, being more elastic and malleable, are able to move with the breathing that does occur. As we see the pumps turned on and off, the sealed area breathes slightly, and the most effective LCM in the world breathes with it. The fracture has been sealed. The Strata effect is at work. The most superior, effective, and innovatively designed LCM in the world ensures less material used on your worksite, less mud losses, and significantly less downtime. Strata's perfected standard operating procedure and superior approach to drilling fluids conservation means, at project end, your time has not been spent problem-solving over problem-solving. With Strata, your transportation, effort, time, costs, and footprint have all been minimized, and your seals are more secure too. Welcome to the Strata effect. We don't sell mud, we provide solutions.